Alright, so I bought this. I don't know how to turn that off. Anyway, I bought this Bluetooth stereo for an Acura TSX 2005, so 04 to 08 this will work as long as you don't have the Navi version, from what I've noticed. I had an issue with the Bluetooth, and it's working now. Well, I can't press play because fucking I can't record on my phone and play music at the same time on that. But the problem is that little gray cable right there that I just installed right here. It's so simple. So I literally just shoved this into the factory harness. I don't know if you can see that. Oof. That gray one. So you just bridge a cable from this blue and red wires that are coming out from the side, so pretty much the N2. So on the factory harness it's a yellow and red with gray dots, and a yellow and green. Yellow and red and yellow and green. So connect it like this. Literally just grab a cable. I had some audio cable lying around. I folded it like that because that is how the eBay seller told me to do it. And now the Bluetooth works. Because the only other thing that you can test is video. Video will also not work. So if you go to video, it comes with these preloaded stupid music videos. But as you can see, the sound's coming out. The sound wouldn't come out unless you are, let's say, well, unless you're having the same issue as me. You have to just bridge that little connection. You just literally make a little macaroni elbow and it'll work perfectly. That was the only issue I had, and because of that, I didn't really bother to install the GPS, the backup camera, none of that. Backup camera, I'm really not interested in, so I'm probably gonna toss that back in the box. Maybe if I buy one day or come across one, I'll take it apart, because right now it's only being held by 3 screws and all of the clips from your factory stereo. So now it's working. You got the AC, obviously, off, auto. That's the AC, that's auto right here. And then you can turn it up or down. So yeah, this is my Android double din, and I guess it's going to be an install, not really a removal, because I've already, installed it, and now I'm just kind of putting it back together. Let's mute that real quick. So you really just need to unclip these. So to do that, you can see this little indent up top. That's the first thing you need to do, is grab, well, I have these neat little, specifically for this, just pry away at the top. They're made out of plastic so that they don't scratch your factory plastic. And then you pry away from that end, and as you can see here, pry, and pry. These two are also where you last need to pry. And then you need to take off your hazard button, which mine is right down here. You just kind of pull on it, and it comes out. You don't even need to really pry on it. You can just stick your finger on the side and pry it off. It pops right out. And then there's another third screw right here to remove the 3 screws that are holding this thing intact. There's 3 screws that are now holding it, but there's also 2 screws down in the cup holder area. So to really to take this out, you just tug on it. You just kind of hold it up like this and pull, and that's all you need to do to take it off. There's 2 8mm bolts. You'll be able to see them. They are silver, but since let me actually show you them. Since this one now doesn't need them, oh wait, that's not it, it's the silver ones. Since this one now doesn't need these because of the factory bracket supports, these are 2 that you'll find inside behind here. You'll kind of have to look upwards a bit. Let me show you actually what location they're in, since this stereo is already out of place. Anyway, it's around right here, right around here. You can see those little brackets. That's where these came off of. So in that area is where they will be. And I will be making basically a follow-up video of my experience with this specific stereo. if you guys would like to see that. But for now, that was just literally just solving the issue that I had with the Bluetooth not working, and it was so stupidly simple. And no, you cannot splice them. I tried splicing them together, and that was a mistake. Do not cut up your wires. It will not work. You have to do this. I spliced them. It did not work. I don't know why this little magical elbow worked right there, but it did. I'm probably gonna put like maybe blue tape up here so that it doesn't slip out and fuck up my Bluetooth, and then I have to take this thing apart again. But oh, why am I zoomed in? But yeah, that is the Bluetooth fix for the Android double DIN. I will link this double DIN down below if you guys want to purchase this specific one. There is 2 different models, one that's $450 and one that's $350. I got the $350 one, and maybe that's why I'm having issues. But that was the only issue. Not everything else works. The AC works, the radio works, the GPS seems to work fine. But yeah, I'll just make a follow-up video. This one was just for the Bluetooth, and that's literally all you need to do, is on the factory side of the harness. The factory side, you can't do it on this side. I tried, it doesn't work out. The factory side, bridge it right here, and bam, you got Bluetooth, you got video, audio, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I'll make a follow-up video to this one, and that'll be that. Subscribe for more videos. This is going to be my new build. I did sell the RSX that I installed a PS2 onto an Android double DIN similar to this one. And as you can see, where is it? Over here. I can put another PS2 into this, or maybe even a PS3 if I can find an HDMI adapter. That'd be really nice.